Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's another vlog today. Today we come for a Ferrari drive, so there's going to be a lot of Ferraris and hopefully a lot of V12s. So I hope you like today's vlog. Also, I'm still doing the giveaway, so remember to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll pick the winner in a few videos. But other than that, guys, let's see how the drive goes today, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. So we got the SF90 over here. Like I said before, he changed it completely. He put some wrap on the front and a two-tone, I guess. Also the wheels are two-tone. Beautiful SF90. I don't know, will you take this one or the V12 wagon over there? Nice. We also got the Murcielago over here. Nice. Sadly, it's not a manual, but still a V12. Get the carbon fiber steering wheel. Got a beautiful F8 pulling up. Got a GT2 RS pulling up, and also an STO. Also a Ferrari California over here. Which one you taking? Huh?
I forgot how much boost he has though, but the boost is up there. The boost is up there.
You got this beautiful 296 in a purple color. With some BBS. You can hear the fans cooling the engine down. Oh. A lot of cars pulled up. We got a decent lineup.
The problem is to like get it to like fast. You have to put like my CL. I'll only be there for a bit. I got
We also went to go to do lunch up there too. I went to go to have like a little bit of a snack before. We went to downtown LA.
Quita el case para que veas la dirección.
So we're starting the cruise already. As you can see, we got a bunch of cars behind us and in the front. We're in the middle, so hopefully the police doesn't stop us.
Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. Just wait to the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Pistol whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
So we made it to the meet. It's a pretty chill day. Hopefully more cars pull up, but it was a fun drive. I mean, a lot of V12s, a lot of Ferraris, and a lot of fun. Thankfully the police didn't pull nobody over. They were pretty chill. I mean, it was a pretty chill drive, you know, nothing major. But yeah, let's see how cool the cars are today. This Corvette over here with the supercharger. We got the new one over here. With the stock engine, obviously. The Lotus, the GT2 RS, and the CR1. I had a question for you guys. Will you take the C6, the C7, or the C8? What's your favorite Corvette? Now this is a car for me, 765. One of my dream cars right there. Or an F8. Well, guys, thank you for watching. That was it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoy it. It was a lot of fun driving around with the V12s, the Ferraris, the Lambos, and even the Viper was pretty insane. But yeah, once we got to the meet, it was pretty chill. A lot of the cars we cruised with came down also. So yeah, it was a pretty fun day so far. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram to enter the giveaway. I will be doing it soon in the future video. So, but yeah, other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.